I'm back. Baby girl, I'm back. Y'all miss me?
Demons in your ear, bitch.
It's the girl Jimmy back with another video. And today we are going to be doing a quick little hair tutorial. You know, like look at my hair, like what's going on? Big girl, you need to boss up your look. All right, so if this is like a quick little hair, you know, shine off, shine. You don't need no sewing. All you need is this, probably like a bobby pin, a brush, and the hair. Let's get into the video. First we have the comb brush. If you see me looking this way, because I have a mirror in front of me right here, it's like bam, did it. So I think I'm gonna do yeah, I think I'm gonna do the famous high do, because I feel like I look better in like a high ponytail instead of like
just a soul whose intentions are good.
So I'm gonna back up a little bit so y'all can see. So usually what I like to do is like catch it up, like brush it up into like this. Take my scoochie, a hair tie, like a hair tie. I usually catch my hair with it first before like I go in with anything. Like this hairstyle is super easy. Well, actually, I'm kind of experimenting too, because I'm gonna try something different that I really haven't tried yet. So after you do that, ooh, and just yeah, just saying. And then I use a lot of gel, and then when I scoop the gel, I like to spread it out like this. I don't know why, I just do that. See what I'm doing here right now? I'm just slicking my hair up, you know, scraping the brains, you know. Losing a few hair particles won't hurt nobody, you know. Period. Scrape away. Oh, hair looks like never. Period. Take this out, re-catch it. Squeeze your ring out. Period. Here's look at in somebody's mouth. Ooh, move like a snake. Like a snake. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, like a snake. Okay, so I got my elastic, and basically what I'm doing with this, I'm just gonna make a small bun with my hair, and I'm gonna use the elastic to secure it. And this is also gonna help with the process of me putting the weave around my hair, so you know, if I'm running it don't fly off. It's a little cute bun, isn't it? Aw, a little garbage bag, isn't it? Yes. Who you know, I'll eat, period. Dear voice. Okay, so time to do the edges. I usually like to start from the center of my head. Good girl. Like, no, because I thought this edges thing was gonna be like 0.2 seconds, but no, man. Took me forever. I was like, what's going on? Like, they keep curling back up. Like, what's going on? I can't handle this. Alright, so after you do that, the bun, you get the hair. So this is actually so easy. So alright, so what I'm doing right now is just separating the hair. You can see I was struggling a little bit, but I got it. So I'm gonna take that piece that's out, and I'm basically just gonna wrap it around the hair. We go around and around, and that's just make sure it's secure. And yeah, because it's kind of like it's like a fresh piece of hair thing. So so after you got that hair, you're gonna wrap it around. Bring this back, wrap it around, bring over that, wrap it. The too white, my girl, the too fine. The too white, my girl, the too fine. Yeah, I'm not even capping on everything. I swear to God, I was catching whiplash. Like the room was just spinning, girl. I was just like, nah, man. Alright, so after you're done, you should get something like this. Oh, a little bundle of joy. Over here. You already know. So basically, I'm just taking a section from the back and just wrapping it around my hair, you know. Slayed all day, period, and everything. What I'm gonna do now is catch this up like so. Get a hair tie like so. Okay, so basically what I'm doing right now, I'm just like cutting the straight strands. I was like, baby girl, has to go. Can't be doing all sad. You know, I had to pop out the hoops real quick. So basically, I'm just putting the bobby pin at the top of my hair so secure it. So basically what I'm doing right now is just putting accessories in my hair. To be honest, I didn't really like it. I was just trying to make it look better. Y'all, I was really trying to light this hair, but I couldn't do it. It didn't make the cut. I had to just put it in a bun. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, leave. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Just like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Period. Bye. You know how to get that high bun curly strands out. Period. All day, every day, big hoops and period. Ooh. Ugh.